returned to the Richmond County Courthouse. Witness testimony continues in the Tripp trial. Leon and Tanya Tripp are accused of plotting to kill Tanya's daughter, Janelle Carwell, in 2017, right after she turned 16. Tanya Tripp's defense attorney called on the judge to remove the entire Richmond County District Attorney's office from this case.
This is video of Carwell, who was reported missing back in April of 2017. Her remains were found in a shallow grave behind a home on Golden Camp Road nearly a year after her disappearance. Now, this is video of the trial today. About an hour and a half ago, the judge denied a motion for mistrial. Tanya's attorney, Arnold Regis, asked the judge to remove the Richmond County District Attorney's office from this case. He says the Chief Assistant District Attorney, Kevin Davis, previously worked for the Public Defender's Office from 2017 to 2019. It's the same office that handled parts of Tanya's defense early on in this case. Now, this is part of the hearing about that mistrial motion.
You were never privy to any information on behalf of Mr. Tripp or Mrs. Tripp that would impact their representation while you were at the public.
No.
So the discussion you mentioned would have been that it was in the news and that the Public Defender's Office had either one or both of these individuals as their client?
If there was a conversation, it would have been something like that. Like I said, I don't recall any conversation with anybody in the office. It was primarily people in the community, as lawyers do. You know, when you have friends, they'll ask you about a case that's happening. But I don't remember ever speaking with anybody in the PD's office directly about Mr. or Mrs. Tripp.
Well, that mistrial motion has been denied, and testimony will continue on in this trial. This morning, they heard from a Richmond County investigator about his conversations with Tanya Tripp. You can find much more on that testimony on our website, WRDW.com. And coming up tonight on News 12, your Sydney Hood has the very latest on this trial.